Hello everyone. This is next section in forEach loop. ForEach is a familiar term prior to Java 8 as well. So now this method is available directly in stream API as well. So here this is my input. Let me input. Okay. So now I'm trying to iterate this method. Yes. And I can call for each and I can do some operations. So for each item in that list will be available one by one within this loop with and I can actually do some more operations on top of that. Okay, let's see. So what I have to do, I have to iterate a list and I have to count I in each string and I have to print it. So why do we need for each loop? So collector is one of the terminal operations like that for each is also another terminal operations. Stream need one terminal operation at least to fulfill its things and it will execute. Once the terminal operation is there, only that it will execute. So otherwise it doesn't do it. So hope you people remember this. So it just print the reference, not the actual implementation. Okay. So now I have to actually modify. Um, Let me reuse whichever I have written in the previous tutorial. So I just want to have this method call. I'll put this in. Let me store this as an input and I want to check a character I count. Okay. And once this is done, I just call this for each loop and I'm just printing the count. Why it is so? Why do we need these things? See, most of the time we don't want to return some result output. We just consume within that place. For example, some data you have manipulated and you want to store it in database. So then you do within that for each loop, or you just have a method called which does not return anything. So have it in the for each loop. So for that purposes we use for each loop. So let me just consume that count here, like here, count of current element is. Let me put this and I'll check how it is working. Okay, so current of element 1, second, third and fourth. Okay, let me put some more i's here. Okay, let's see that occurrences. So 2013. Okay, so let me change that into parallel stream. Observe the sequence. It may not be the same, but the result is same. So look, it's keep on changing. Okay, so there are not much differences between this. If you don't want that order of execution in the same order wherever it is iterating, then you can use parallel stream. Okay, so that for each is something like, if we don't want to return some data or the method call whatever you are doing that doesn't return any data, then you don't want to collect that data. In such cases you can use for each loop. Hope you understand. Shortly we'll check in the next video. Bye.